Proceed to the execution of the expansion joints near the cracks by cutting the foundation for 1/3 of its thickness. Cut with a grinding machine all the cracks in order to help the product pour inside. Perform also cuttings perpendicular to the cracks. Carefully vacuum the powder inside all cracks. Pour the entire content of the component B into the tank containing the component A. Mix by using a low-rotation agitator to obtain a homogeneous and smooth mixture. Pour the mixed sealant inside the cracks and level with a metal trowel. When the product is still fresh, spread quartz on the surface, 0.1 to 0.5 mm granulometry. When Iposan has hardened, after approximately 5 hours, remove all exceeding quartz. It's now possible to proceed to the floor laying.